Hi, this is Nathan Cope from nathancope.com. Welcome back, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at how we can install a power supply into the case that we picked out for our first build. So as I've said before, we're doing this in a sort of lecture slash presentation format. So you won't see me actually putting a system together, but rather I'm going to be using images that are clear to see in order to sort of really explain each part in detail without the issue of lighting and camera movement and all that stuff. When you're done with the course, we should have a thorough understanding of how all the pieces go together without actually doing any kind of hand holding and showing how to do it in a video. I like to be able to teach you about the different components and have you be able to put it together